Today I'm going to show you how to do tailor tacks. Tailor tacks are important places on the paper pattern, and we want those markers to be transferred onto our fabric so that we can sew accurately. We find them by identifying little circles. This is the circle I want here. That's the circle that's got a little 10 next to it because I'm making a size 10 garment today. That one's 6, that's 8, that's 10, that's 12. So we'll go to our little circle that says 10 and go right through the paper and the fabric and pick up a little piece of fabric like so, pull the thread through till I have about 1 centimetre or 2 just dangling at the end like that, and do exactly the same thing again. And in this occasion I will leave a loop behind like so, and then I'll just snip it off, and then I'll go looking for other important markers. Alright, there's another one there. I'll look for my size 10 and do exactly the same thing again. Pull the thread through, leave a little tail, a second time, and this time leave a loop. The loop is probably about 3 to 4 centimetres long, and snip it off. Alright, for each pattern piece we would look for all of those little circles and mark them all. When we've done that, we quickly remove the pins from our paper pattern. It's outside of the range of the camera at the moment. There's one that you can probably see. They're all gone. So all my pins have now gone, and I now carefully lift the paper off the fabric, and if I put my finger there and have a little pull, that'll make sure for safety reasons that the tailor tack stays there. And there's another one over here. Do exactly the same thing again. That's coming off very easily because I've used this pattern before, and there's actually holes in the paper already. When the pattern's new, you have to make a little hole. Now, of course, the aim is to have a red thread on each piece of fabric. We lift up the fabric, put your finger on the tailor tack and pull until you've gone to the end of the loop, and then cut. We'll do the same thing for the other one. Put a finger on the base of the tailor tack, pull through as far as it will go, and then snip it off like so. And you can see now that we've got a marker here, and there's a marker here as well. And we can see them on both sides of the fabric. There's the right side of the fabric, and we can see a little red marker there. I think tailor tacks are a lot better than tailor's chalk because tailor's chalk is difficult to use. You finish up with a rather smudgy mark on your fabric, and it actually can rub off very easily while you're working, whereas tailor tacks tend to be more reliable.